Rob here with skidsteersolutions.com. We're proud to announce a new partnership with a company called Vacuworx. They make a really unique product, and we're really happy to have this on our website for 2018. I'm here with Randy Hayes from Vacuworx, and he's just going to give us a little product introduction, explain some of the features of Vacuworx, as well as give us a little bit of history on the company.
Over the last couple of years, a lot of our focus has been more directed towards the skid steer market. The skid steer market is a perfect fit for the new compact equipment. It can be used inside, utilized inside or outside for this market for the equipment that we have. Looking more at the saw cutting demolition market. That's really been our main focus, as well as handling flat steel plate. One of the key features about the Vacuworx attachments, it can be utilized on any model skid steer, as well as utilized on mini excavators, backhoes, or any other types of host equipment. Another key feature about the Vacuworx products is their lightweight construction. They can be used as the SL2 is made out of an aluminum body, only weighs 98 pounds, so it's very versatile, as well as being very lightweight, easy to transfer from one job site to another along with your skid steer. We've talked about the SL2, now we're going to step up to the CM3, which is kind of a big brother to the SL2. It's heavy duty construction used for larger plate sizes, larger sections for the concrete demolition market. The CM3 can handle up to 6,600 pounds, has the capability of adding dual pads as well as a spreader bar that will allow you to go from 61 inches in length out to 85 inches. One of the key features about the CM3 is the versatility of moving up and the increased weight capacity that can handle, and compared to the SL2. SL2 is 2,700 pounds. We can handle all the way up to 6,600 pounds with the CM3 attachment. Another key feature about the CM3 is being able to have a spreader bar that will allow you to add dual pads. The spreader bar allows you to go from 61 inches out to 85 inches in length with the increased length of maybe possibly steel plate or the concrete slab that you'll be lifting. Another key feature of the Vacuworx attachments, either one, the SL2 or the CM3, can be mounted with the manual operation as you see here, or we have the remote operation as we will show you on the CM3. You can find these Vacuworx attachments at skidsteersolutions.com.